Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can make a group member inside your Calendly team an admin, for example, to give the person or the member admin rights. So let us dive into this. Head over to your account on Calendly and expand the left sidebar, navigate to Admin Center at the bottom. So let me do that and close these tabs. So here, what you want to do is navigate to the Groups tab on the left, select your group, and here you will see in the middle that this button Assign Group Admins. And after that, search for the user here. Of course, you will need to invite the user first, so you may invite members from your team to your group by clicking into this button here. Send the invitation, and once accepted by the given user, you may assign group admin rights here by entering the username or the email. Click into assign here, and that is going to give the given admin the permission, for example, to add or remove people from the group, create and manage teams, invite users to the team, download reporting, and so on and so forth, and also edit and manage event types within your team. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.